Good morning, children. In continuation with writing skills, last time we just studied the formal letters, format, and today we are going to study letter writing and how to write letters or the leave application letter, how to take leaves from schools. So that format and its example and some exercises we shall do in this particular lesson. So I come to the explanation part, that learning English writing skills for CBSE, that learn the skill to write different types of letters, emails, classified advertisements, and essays or order letters and formal letters. So I come directly to the topic, that is a leave application. We have taken an example of leave application for marriage. So it is a formal document letter written by a person who needs to take some days off for getting married, or if a student, his relative, one of the relative, brother or sister or somebody is going to get married, so he has to take leaves for to attend the function. So how to write that? In this we have to learn. So I just tell you that this is one of the formal letters which generally students do not understand how to write. In the beginning, I would like to mention that whenever I saw some leave application students in class, they just address this leave application directly to the teacher. See, I'm writing. They write to the class teacher. So, dear students, try to understand what I want to say. Never write any leave application to the teacher. Never. All the leave applications must be written to the principal. And without to, it should be written the principal, not to the class teacher. It is C. Okay, you understand? So this is one of the most important thing you understand, that never write an application, leave application to the class teacher, but you write the application to the principal. But do not write to. To is omitted in CBSE format. Remember that. A leave application is a formal document written by a person who needs to take some days off. So I come to the next point, that format. Format of a formal letter is generally sender's address, sender's name and address in the beginning. Then comes the date. Then receiver's address, and please avoid to. It is written to here. It is old format. Never write to. And after that, there is subject, request for leave to attend wedding of any person, and for how many days you have to mention there. Then you write, this is salutation. Next is body of the letter. Then you just express your gratitude by thanking yours sincerely, yours truly, yours faithfully, and your name and signature. Now we have certain samples of the leave applications for marriage with the answers also. Leave application in school for attending a marriage function. The parents of a student write leave application addressed to the principal in case their ward has to take a leave for attending a wedding. Let us see how a parent can write a leave application for marriage. See, here we don't have written to. So sender's address is Rajesh Sharma and address. After that it is a date, and now you can see there is no to here, which you found in the format. So to should not be written. This is the address of the school. The principal, XYZ Public School, Rohini, New Delhi, and this subject, leave application to attend marriage function. Now the salutation, And this is the body copy, where you introduce yourself and the matter in the beginning and write the details. And in brief, you write, and you just write the subscription with yours sincerely, your name and signature and address again. And this is the second example. An employed person has to take leave for attending a marriage function. Here is an example to take leave to attend brother's wedding. So this is the sender's address. It is date, and here it is written to, where you will not write to. So the address of the receiver, then subject and body copy, and your subscription. Another example we have leave application in office for marriage. Let us see how to write leave application in office to attend the marriage. Ajay Kumar is sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation and body copy, and subscription. These are the three examples of writing a leave application where you don't have to do any mistakes in that. And I come to another example of formal letters. Let's go to that. This is very important part of your letter to the editor, where you do a lot of mistakes. I'll tell you what are the mistakes you do. Here in this explanation, a letter to the editor may be written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine. It is written to highlight a social issue or problem. It can also be written in order to get it published in the said medium. As it is a formal letter, the format has to be followed strictly. Only formal letter language can be used, that is abbreviations, and slang language must be avoided, I should say. Let us discuss the format of this letter. That sender's address in the beginning, then date, receiver's address, that is editor's address, subject of the letter, then salutation, then the body at the 6th point, and it should contain at least 3 paragraphs, or this particular paragraph can be made according to you yourself. Then complimentary closing and sender's name and signature, that is subscription. Now we have an example in the form of PDF file. This is the format. And sample, this is one of the question where I am supplying the notes. In this you will find the same, that one of the letter is written to the editor, written by Shobha of Jal Vihar, Wazirabad, New Delhi 33, that dated 17 July 2017, the editor Hindustan Times, and the subject, then respected sir, and this is introduction, and why she is writing, the matter is written in the beginning itself. With it is called brief introduction, and the main matter, that Delhi city is getting contaminated water from river Yamuna. So this is the issue. Then some solution and some request. Then she is thanking with subscription, and we have another example. So I'll be showing you and sending you by uploading this document in the form of notes, which you will read thoroughly and understand how to write the letters, formal letters, leave application, and letter to the editor we have this time in this session. So dear children, thank you so much and have a nice day.